Man, I have had a stressful week. Probably got a little bit more gray hair than I already have. What's up, Brent from Brenspeed? Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Man, I have had a stressful week. Probably got a little bit more gray hair than I already have. Our dyno took a dump this week and basically I had to buy all new equipment. So we brought this car in from the parking lot. This is one of our techs, Ryland's cars, a 2011 GT. And I needed to put it on to try to test this new equipment we got because it's finally working, which is awesome. This is not the time of year for your dyno to go down because we have so many cars we're building, but this is a 2011 and it's got an 18 manifold, an old JLT cold air intake, not even clean, Ryland, and it has high flow cats. Besides that, the car's stock. You did put on some GT500 mufflers, but I thought, hey, I was making pulls on this car today, testing out the new equipment, and the numbers came out really good, so I thought, let's take a look. So I'm gonna show you the dyno pulls, we'll go look at the numbers, but I'll tell you what, I'm gonna put in the description the links to these parts you're gonna see on this car right here, but it's basic. 2011, 18 manifold, JLT cold air intake, and some high flow cats. Watch these pulls. All right, I'm gonna show you these numbers, but let me tell you again exactly what's on this. So we use an SCT X4. Ryland just has my mail order calibration. I've never dyno tuned this car, basically because we're so busy, but it has a 93 octane cal on it, 18 manifold JLT, and the high flow cats. Numbers came out really, really good. 420, I did 3 back-to-back pulls, 420, 417, 420, real horse, torque, 377, 376, 380. Awesome power for basically a mail order setup. So if you have a stock car and you're looking for over 400 real horse, pretty easy. Tune, JLT, and I'll put links in the description on that stuff and the 18 manifold. It's a sweet setup, but I'm happy. Man, I got this dyno fixed. It's been crazy. So this time of year, you know, we're working almost 7 days a week. A lot of weeks we are working 7 days. So for this to be down for a few days really hurts, but it's up and running. Thought I'd show you this car real quick. I got to get it off the dyno, get back to work. I got a line of cars to get on it right now. Have some more videos out for you real soon. So don't forget, subscribe, hit notify, see other sweet cars we're building. And of course, you want something like this, it's free shipping off our website, brenspeed.com to the 48 states, or email quote@brenspeed.com to see how much it costs to get installed. Thanks.